Hi, welcome to Nina in the Kitchen, where today I want to show you something to do with those little creamer potatoes that we all love, but they're kind of boring. I made some creamers last night. I have some left over. So this is a great do-ahead recipe. I'm just going to do a few for you today just to show you what you can do. So here are my leftovers. They're still whole, and all that I'm going to do is smash them, just like that. You want to keep them whole. And I have a 8-inch skillet over here, and whenever you put something in a fry pan, you drop it away from you so it doesn't splash you. I'm just wiping these with a paper towel just to make sure they're dry when they go in. But as you can see, this is just a shallow pan fry. Aren't those purple potatoes beautiful? Pretty color. After about 3 or 4 minutes, you flip them, and after they are golden brown on both sides, you drain them on a paper towel, and then we're going to make a gremolata. And what a gremolata is an Italian herb condiment. It's a chopped herb condiment. Typically, what's in a gremolata is extra virgin olive oil. You mix it with garlic, parsley, lemon zest, and sometimes anchovies. We're not doing anchovies here, but I might if it were a heavy stew, maybe a ossobuco, something like that. But let me show you how to do the gremolata. Here I have some minced garlic. And when these potatoes come out, they get salted, and then the gremolata just goes over it, and that's it. You have a nice, tasty way to use your creamer potatoes. So here's the gremolata all together, and I'm just going to put a little olive oil just to sort of dress it. You want it to be a little slushy. And that's it. So this with a little salt, and you have a lovely little potato dish with leftover potatoes. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. Both sides are nice and brown, so I'm just going to remove this to paper towel, and I like to roll them up to get as much oil off as possible. While these are still hot, a nice little sprinkle of salt, and then this remolata goes over them. Each one gets a little piece. Now if you don't want to use the garlic, you can use garlic powder, or you can just smash 1 clove of garlic and put it in there and not cut it, and that would be the least invasive garlic, if you will. But it just depends on what you like, what your family likes, and who is or isn't eating the garlic, right? Isn't this pretty? And I just love using leftovers in a different way. So let me just taste this. I think I'll want a purple one. Those purple potatoes are just so beautiful. This really livens them up. And you know what I would do? I think I'd like a little squirt of lemon juice on this. Just cut up that little fresh lemon and put a little bit on here. That would be delicious. Anyway, I hope you try this. It's crunchy on the outside, creamy on the inside, fresh herbs to brighten the flavors up. Really good dish. Thank you so much for watching Nina in the Kitchen, and I hope you return. Please like and subscribe, and follow me on Facebook. Thanks, guys.